Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start Webull paper trading. Paper trading is a fantastic way to learn the ropes of investing without risking any actual capital. It provides a simulated environment that closely mirrors real market conditions, allowing you to practice buying and selling stocks, options, and other assets. This risk-free approach helps you get comfortable with the Webull platform and test out various trading strategies before you commit your hard-earned money. Let's dive in and get you set up. Getting started with paper trading on Webull is quite straightforward. First, open your Webull app and ensure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, look for the menu icon, often found at the bottom or top of your screen, or directly navigate to the Trade tab. Within this section, you'll find the option for paper trading. Tapping on this will switch you over to the simulated trading environment, ready for you to explore. Once in the paper trading environment, you'll notice you have a substantial virtual balance, typically $1 million, to practice with. To place a trade, simply search for the stock or asset you're interested in, just as you would for a real trade. When the order screen appears, make sure you select the paper trade option, not the live trade button. Then, input your desired quantity, choose your order type, and confirm your simulated purchase or sale. It's that simple. Webull paper trading isn't just for beginners. It's also a powerful tool for experienced traders to refine their skills. You can experiment with advanced order types, utilize all the technical analysis tools, and even practice options trading without any real financial risk. Regularly review your simulated portfolio's performance to understand what strategies work best for you. And hey, if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, make sure to check the description below for a link to an amazing book and other great deals. Keep practicing and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.